Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, back with a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. Today I am making him a sub. I got the Walmart sub rolls. You can buy them in a pack of 6 for like $2.40. And just a really easy sandwich today. Some pepper jack cheese, some turkey. I think this is like the Oscar Mayer one. I'm not a huge fan of this turkey. It does taste okay, but I do prefer like deli turkey, and above all cold cuts, I always prefer things like egg salad, chicken salad, tuna salad, that kind of thing. But yeah, I'm just packing Matt's lunch up. If you're new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these types of videos from over the years, so feel free to check that out in the description box. So let's go ahead and just take a look at everything I packed for my husband for the week. Hey guys, so for Monday's lunch, I'm giving Matt a Gatorade Flow in the kiwi strawberry, a Schweppes ginger ale, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwich you guys saw me make on these sub rolls from Walmart, got them in the bakery. Just some mayo, some pepper jack cheese, some turkey, and then some baby spinach and a little bit of arugula. And this will be good to go for lunch. So I gave him a cutie orange. We actually have few more to use up. This thing was overflowing, but I can't remember if these are cuties or halos, one or the other, but I just peeled them for him because he's much more likely to be able to have time to eat it. I also gave him a couple of these Kind mini bars. There's a caramel almond and sea salt and a dark chocolate nuts and sea salt, and these are like half the size of a normal Kind bar. And then I also gave him some sour cream and onion Pringles dupe, which is a great value. They're $1 for the can, and I've been loving these square snack bags. It doesn't seem like much, but when you're used to using the rectangle ones, it's hard to explain, but definitely get these guys. They hold a lot more easier. I don't know. I'm so happy my friend Heather told me about these square snack bags. They're really, really good to pack things in. But anyways, this is lunch today, and we will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Morning guys, it's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him this mango hibiscus pure leaf herbal tea. I saw this at Walmart. I could tell right away it was a new flavor, and all their pure leaf teas were on sale for $1, which is usually when I'll grab like, I don't know, 2 to 5 of them when they go on sale. So I'm excited to see what he thinks about that. And then also just a ginger ale, of course, always the water cooler. The sandwich today is a sub on those Walmart sub rolls. I got some rare roast beef, some lettuce, some Swiss cheese, and then on here is some bacon aioli. I thought it goes really good with the roast beef, and I always cut it in half. It just makes it easier. I'm giving him a little sugar cookie that my son made with my mom. It's just like a little heart sugar cookie for Valentine's Day with sprinkles, so I'm giving him one of those. Some mango spears. I get these at Walmart, and these are fairly large, so I put them in this like rectangle container. A pepper jack cheese stick from the Walmart brand, great value. And then these are from boxed.com. They are the Vermont beef and pork sticks, raised without antibiotics, and they're pretty small. They're the minis, so I gave Matt 2 of them to go along with the cheese stick, and they are pretty good. They are definitely, like, if you guys have had the Duke smoked sausages, they're not like that. These are more of like a wet, like they're kind of moist, where the Dukes are more dry. It's hard to explain, but they are good. They definitely have like a salty, kind of tangy flavor to them because they're beef and pork. But yeah, they are really good, and this is lunch today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm packing him a Lipton white tea raspberry, and then one of these pure leaf cherry hibiscus caffeine-free herbal teas. The other one he said was good, so we'll see how that one is. I packed up the Yum Box today. We had some season wrapped chicken last night, the chicken breast, so I just cut up a leftover chicken breast and put it in here. It's already seasoned. Some Colby Jack Monterey Colby Jack, I believe, cheese cubes, some large black olives, some celery sticks, some ranch in the middle here, which you could dip the chicken or the celery or both in, and then some large mango spears in the back. And then for a couple additional small snacks, I'm going to give him a Kind Mini in the caramel, almond, and sea salt. And then the dark chocolate with nuts and sea salt. These are like mini, half the size of a regular Kind bar, but they're really good just to grab and eat really quickly. And then also some of the wavy Pringles. I have them right here. They are new. They're okay. I like the regular ones better. But I do want to try these in the ones they have in flavors eventually. But they are pretty good. They taste just like the other Pringles, but the texture is just a little bit different. But yeah, this is his lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a ginger ale, a pure leaf mint tea, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwiches you saw me make, these are the King's Hawaiian mini sub rolls. So if you ever see these, grab them. They're delicious and they're the perfect little size. They're small but not super small, but I did give Matt two. I put some spicy mustard, some Swiss cheese, some romaine, and then some of the Dietz and Watson brand tavern ham, which is so good. And I like it sliced really thin. So I gave him two little sandwiches here, some cut up celery. Sorry for the noise in the background. My coffee maker is brewing. Some cut up celery with some Jif to go creamy peanut butter. These chips are the kettle cooked, Great Value original gluten-free sea salt chips, and they are good. They're like a dupe for Cape Cod, but a whole lot cheaper. And then I did give him two little mini Kit Kat, like little, I don't know, candies. But anyways, really easy lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Hey guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Pure Leaf mint tea, a Dr. Thunder, which is like a dupe for Dr. Pepper, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwich you guys saw me make on this onion roll, this is like a huge jumbo onion roll. I put some bacon aioli, which was having a little technical difficulty coming out of the bottle because it was clogged. Some of this pepperoncini cheese. It's really, Matt said it's really good. It has like spicy peppers in it and like a vinegar taste. This is the Salins brand ham, which we love. Some crisp iceberg lettuce, all on this, again, onion roll. Some Colby Jack cheese cubes. I get these at Walmart in a bag of cheese already cubed up. And then I'm also giving him some snacks I got all from Boxed.com, which you guys know if you've been watching my grocery hauls. I've been obsessed with them. They have really, really good snacks at a good price. So I'm giving him two little mini Kind bars. These together are like the size of one kind bar, since each one is like a half size. So there's the caramel, almond, and sea salt, and the milk or dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Again, 2 of those equals a whole. And then sort of to go along with the cheese, I'm giving him a couple of these Vermont original beef and pork sticks. These are from boxed.com as well. And since they are kind of smaller, half sizes, I gave him 2 of them. But yeah, this is his lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed the lunches for the week. Once again, there's an entire playlist of these videos in the description box down below from over the years. And I will see you guys in the next one.